So our
You trying to say hey guys.
Okay, hey guys. Today we're going to eat something we all hate, raw butter.
We have to eat raw butter if we lose. So whoever loses has to eat it.
And whoever wins...
And we're going to play until everybody
lost.
loses.
At least one.
Lost.
At least one. If somebody loses 2 times, we're going to get the same stack of butter.
Okay, start, Courtney.
Can't take it from the top.
No, you can't? No.
Because you have to put it on the top. So, technically you already did it.
If she loses on the first one.
It's all going to fall towards you.
Oh my gosh, Courtney.
Courtney.
Okay.
Oh, you're going to turn it the other way.
Please don't lose on the first time.
You almost did.
You can't hold the castle
Oh,
up.
sorry, I didn't do that. What?
Oh, thank you.
Whatever. What are you laughing at?
What are you laughing
She's
at?
laughing at my laugh.
She jumped it.
Oh, Courtney's turn.
Courtney's turn. What you doing? What you doing today?
Oh, that's a smart idea. Why didn't we think of that? Oh, the easiest one. But this one's the best. I wonder if anybody will choose that. I might die here.
Don't do that. That was open.
Oh, I didn't even see that. Okay.
Courtney, it's your turn.
What? Uh-huh.
Oh, sorry. Wait,
Uh-huh.
you go after me. So,
Oh.
what you talking about?
I'm sorry. Okay, just go ahead and we'll go back to her and we'll skip that. That never happened. This is the best one. I'm surprised nobody did that one.
I'm surprised nobody picked that.
I know. Okay.
Oh no.
I'm surprised nobody picked one of these two. Or this one.
Oh! Yeah, it fell on my butter.
It fell on my butter.
Never thought I'd say that.
You gotta eat your butter.
I did.
Is that yours, Krista? No, you have to eat all of it.
Oh, okay. Oh. I'm gonna puke if I lose.
I actually
You have
like
to.
raw butter.
Okay, wait, actually just take half of it because if you're probably gonna lose if you lose again.
Yeah, if you lose again.
Then you'll finish it, okay. We're just gonna
That actually tastes pretty good. That tastes like...
Ugh, what do you think?
That actually tastes like
It actually
pizza.
Ugh. I'm like the only one at this table who hates raw butter.
What?
Why did you watch it fall? Alrighty.
I got the bottom piece.
Oh gosh.
Oh gosh.
Watch it all fall.
Again.
Elizabeth!
Then you have to eat
By the way,
your
this
butter
is-
stick.
By the way, guys, this is Queen Elizabeth of England.
Totally. Like,
Talking a British accent.
totally. Water?
Give me some water.
Give me
Give
some
some
water.
water.
Get it?
I'm sorry,
me some
Gracie.
water.
I'm really sorry.
Give me some water.
My British friend watches this, and she's probably like wants to slap
And
me.
I
right now.
actually didn't know I knew how to say water. Water and
Water?
water.
Yeah, that's how
and
Gracie says water. She's from London. So fancy. I don't know what part though. Because she's in America now.
London Bridge is falling
No!
down.
She watches my YouTube channel.
Falling down. London Bridge
I think
is
she's from.
falling
I think it's like
down.
Tottenham or something. I think that's what it's
Tottenham?
called. Tottenham. Yeah, that's what it's called. I
My
think.
butter stick.
I think. I'm sorry, Gracie.
I go
Yeah,
first.
Tottenham. That's where. Yeah. Okay.
My smooth butter
Tottenham.
stick.
Where's my butter? Oh. Okay.
This is my butter.
I'm gonna balance.
No, don't you touch something I'm about to put in my mouth. No. No.
Please don't do Elizabeth. Are you daring? Elizabeth.
So you have to fall on to catch it. So we don't have to build it again.
Okay.
Oh, Elizabeth. Oh, no, I got it for you.
Really? You didn't pick the one that's sticking out
There's one sticking out.
on the bottom?
I don't know if I might die here. But if I don't, Courtney will die next, so. Ah! No! Save! Help me! Okay, I have to eat the butter, but I want to save it still. So we don't have to build it that much, because I hate it.
Yeah, but you're still gonna cut it right here.
Yeah, I know, so then.
Should have picked that piece.
Yeah, I'm not cutting that
Eat
part.
your raw butter.
Everybody's gonna say, wait, I'm trying to rebuild it so I don't have to. If it falls, Elizabeth has to rebuild it. How long? How long is it recorded? 6 minutes. Okay, we have up to 15 minutes, so we got 15 minutes.
I go first.
Well, I haven't
I know, it's not built yet.
Eat your butter stick.
Give me a second. Calm yourself.
How do you say a little?
Okay, so the only person who hasn't lost is Elizabeth.
Do it.
There's a black thing. Oh gosh. I don't know if I can do this.
Do it.
I'd
Put
rather eat
your
cat
little
food.
Put your hand in your mouth.
It's super.
Can I eat cat food instead?
No.
No, go get me the cat food. I'd rather eat cat food than that. Give me the cat food.
And I will eat a raw butter
No,
stick.
bring me the cat food.
I'll eat your butter,
Okay.
even though I don't like it. It's gross. No, I don't want it. That's gross butter that she has. She has gross.
No, get it from right there, Courtney. Hurry, we're recording. Time is a wasting. I'm about to eat cat food for y'all. That's going to be the title of this. Eating cat food. Over there, Courtney, by where the stupid dogs eat every day.
You're going the wrong way. They moved it.
It's right. Oh my gosh. I can see it. Oh my gosh. Finally, Elizabeth found it.
Where?
It's right there. Even I can see it from here.
Oh, you're not talking about the bag of it?
No, just any piece of cat food. Or dog food or whatever they feed them.
Here comes the fishing.
Raw pork, whatever it is they feed them. Okay, let me see it. I'm about to eat it, and I'm gonna prove it to you that it's cat food. What is it? Cat food or dog food?
Cat food and dog food. The dogs eat it. It's cat food
It
though.
looks like I'm just gonna imagine that it's a goldfish.
You're eating a catfish?
Yeah.
Yeah, imagine it's a catfish because you like catfish,
Yeah,
don't you?
I like catfish.
I
Okay.
love raw butter.
This is better than butter though. I'm not even joking.
I don't even like it, and I love butter. Ugh.
It's a goldfish, totally. That's
Totally.
salt. I can pretend it's from a goldfish.
Nope, you can't have this. No, that wasn't our deal. Our deal was eating butter, and you already ruined the deal.
Hey, cat food's worse, okay? Where's the other Jenga piece?
You thought it was better.
I regret that decision. Majorly now.
I'm gonna flatten my butter. And make
I wish
something
I'd ate the butter now.
Then eat it now.
I'm about to eat. No, I can't. I can't eat the butter. It's okay. We don't need that piece. We don't need it.
Here, doggy.
This is oh gosh, we're running out of time.
Where's the stupid Jenga piece?
Here it is. Courtney had it.
Courtney.
Totally.
It was under your foot. Okay. Come on, but you're the only one who has to lose now.
Elizabeth.
I'm rough with it. That's weird.
Oh, as soon as this is over, I'm drinking Mountain Dew, just so you know.
Me too.
Okay, you ain't drinking my Mountain Dew?
Well, I'm gonna get some drink from the refrigerator. I'm flattening my butter so it looks like a sugar cube because I like sugar cubes.
For your tea. Oh my gosh.
Oh
Nice. Okay, I'm going for.
It's okay. I play this almost every day. I'm a pro.
Courtney, over here cheating. You have to eat a piece of cat food if you lose again, just so you know.
I'm eating my rubber.
No, you finished all your butter.
No, it's right here.
Scrappy! Scrappy! Oh, good. Oh, gosh. She's crying because of it. I'm sorry. Courtney. She's fine.
She's her baby sister.
Yeah, that's my baby sister. Okay, well, me and Elizabeth will continue then. Okay, go ahead.
Wait a second.
What?
Go ahead.
Hi.
I was trying to eat this and then she threw it her Scrappy.
She threw it to Scrappy. What is it?
Butter.
Butter. Raw
Go
butter.
throw it in the garbage. You don't need to eat that. Go throw that in the garbage.
Viewer.
Go throw it in
I
the
didn't
garbage.
eat it.
It's a challenge. And I
Go
didn't eat
throw
it
it
yet.
go throw it in the garbage. You don't need to be challenged about that. You guys need to stop challenging each other.
She wanted the butter, though.
Yeah, she chose it.
Don't care. You know it's not good for you to eat like that.
So I didn't eat it.
Wait.
What?
You gonna let her play?
If she wants to, she just ran away.
She ran away crying.
Well, I'm getting Wahoo.
A wahoo?
Huh.
I call it Wahoo.
I'm just gonna, bam, I got another piece. Got 2 pieces, guys.
So now I
fell
have
on
to
the
take.
four-wheeler.
You did?
Yep. I sat so far back on it, I went straight back right on the cement. My back hit the cement, my head, and my elbow.
The little one?
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
Straight up.
Just
to the
right now?
Just now.
I got 2 pieces, everyone. See?
Oh my gosh, I got 2 pieces. Now Courtney has to get 2 pieces.
Courtney, you have to pick 3.
We're getting 2 pieces now.
No, she has to pick 3 because
Oh, because you missed it.
she got skipped because she ran away crying.
Okay, go ahead.
Yoo-hoo.
I just called it a Yahoo, yeah. Okay, hurry, the time's a limit.
How much longer?
About 2 minutes. Get 3.
So if I don't lose, then
Then you
I'm the winner.
Yeah, you're
And I don't
gonna
have to
be-
eat anything. And I get a yoo-hoo. Winning.
She got a Yahoo.
Okay, she did. Because she ran away crying. That's why she got a yoo-hoo.
You gotta get 2 more.
Get this one. This one's very good. And this one, it looks very good. 30. Just pull it out.
I can't.
Then push it in.
Look, all this silence is getting on my nerves. We're going to spend the day together. Why don't we introduce ourselves? I'm Alice Goring.
1 more.
First trip to Laramie?
If I don't fall, I get my
Oh,
Wahoo.
good. Wahoo. Oh gosh, we have like 10 more seconds. That the video will be able to upload. Oh, I know, we'll be able to edit it a little.
My turn after yours. Hurry up so I can do it.
Bye, guys.